Green tea is amazing to keep the body healthy, and at the same time, it promotes a healthy weight loss routine. Green tea has the bioactive EGCG, Epigallocatechin gallate, which is responsible to boost your metabolism. Drinking green tea leads to improvement in the fat burning process. So, you can have a cup of green tea right before exercising. It will help you to burn the fat faster and better. Drinking green tea helps to burn the calories, and it boosts the metabolism rate of the body. Therefore, you will be able to burn 3 to 4% more calories. Green tea increases the level of the hormones responsible for breaking the fat. It leads to flow of energy in the body and will help you in losing weight. So that is why drinking green tea is good for losing weight. Thanks for watching.